Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today with this video I'm trying to present an idea to create a phone stand. You can also say it a TikTok stand or a vlogger stand or a text stand also. It's a versatile stand and it can be used on a different purpose. So for ensuring a good stability I'm creating its base by using cement and sand. I have taken equal amount of sand and cement. I thought of putting some color also, but I'm not sure about it as it's my first time mixing cement and color together. Yes, if the result will not be as expected, I can always change it or I can recolor it. The mixer is ready now and it's time to put it on the container. So it's very important to put some oil on the container as we can take out the base easily once it's dried. I'm putting 2 layers of thin wire in order to make it strong, and I think it will demand at least 48 hours to completely dry. You can see the color is not so visible. I think I should have put a bit more color on this. So yes, of course I can paint it now, and sanding it has added good stability on this. So the color that I'm using is brown tan shoe polish. It will go pretty good with cement. With the aim to make it adjustable, I'm using one hollow pipe. I got this from an old mop stick. So to remove the color I have used two type of wheel. First one is nylon fiber polishing wheel and second one is wood buffing wheel. And yes, the result is so pleasing. So you can easily remove any kind of paints on metals by using those two wheels. This is a leftover stick from last project where I am drilling a small hole so that I can insert the mobile bracket later. So you can see both of the sticks are ready now. I have sanded the wooden one so it can go through the metal pipe. So the height adjuster thing that you can see on the screen, this also I get from the same mob stick. I used same color to paint the wooden stick, the same wood polish that I used on painting the base. So I also had a idea of putting something on the top of that wooden stick. So I got this thing from the medicine dropper. Though the radius didn't match perfectly, I'm putting a small piece of sandpaper so that it can fit perfectly on that. So in this case also you can see I need to put some sandpaper. So before applying glue on everything, so I'm putting some masking tape so it can lower my afterworks like finishing work or a final works. So I'm putting epoxy, 2-part epoxy glue to jam everything here. I really became a fan of this glue and have been using on my different projects also. Though it demands at least 24 hours for drying, but the bone we receive is much more satisfying than the time it demands to dry out. So it's after 24 hours and it's time to give it a final touch. So you can see that I'm using wood fin, also called polyurethane. You can see I have already changed the color of the height adjuster into black. I'm using wood fin and I'm applying it to everywhere, just leaving the mobile bracket. If you have anything to say about my video, please do let me know in my comment section, and also please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also go through the other videos. So it's time for the final demo. You can see it's very easy to assemble and easy to adjust the height also. The universal mobile bracket can hold every kind of phone. I think every kind of smartphone can be easily fit in on this bracket. So it's height adjustable, so you can see it can go around to any side, whether you want to see your video or content on the portrait mode or on the landscape mode. So thank you all for watching my video. Thank you very much. I hope the video was enjoyable. Please do let me know if you have something. Thank you very much. Take care.